So there's our guide. There's Cal having fun.
Yes.
Hey folks, welcome to another Mauihowey video. Today we're at Kaeng Krachan. It's a river at the dam, not far from Hua Hin, about maybe an hour and a half from Hua Hin. And we are going to do a rafting trip today. So me and Cal came on out and we're going to hop in the raft and do a little paddling and some swimming down the river here. I hope you stick around with us and check out the river rafting trip, and we'll see you at the end of the video. All right, so we're on our raft right now. Look at the raft. Take a look around in a second. But we're paddling down the river here. Goes down quite a bit. Some swimming involved in a little while too. It's a hot day, so it'll be really nice for swimming. So you can see this is a big Thai resort area actually. Everybody comes down here and takes the raft rides and stays for a weekend. We came down in the middle of the week. It's a big slide that brings you right back down into the river. Pretty nice. And the river, when we come on back this way, it goes all the way into up by the dam. There's a dam there that starts, so a big reservoir behind it. So this river runs on down into it, but this is a big resort area here. We're paddling by resort here on the river. Very cool. Water slides, pool, water toys. A little bit of everything at this resort. Really nice. There's a number. I'll have to remember that. We decide to come back and stay overnight. We'll give it to Cal's family when she's gonna come on down here. All right, now we're looking like we're more back in Michigan doing a canoe ride. That's what we do back home. We have many places that you can do river canoeing. Rifle River, Osabo. Those are all places back in Michigan. We don't do a raft, we do a canoe, but kind of the same feeling here. Really nice. Peaceful. So me and Cal decided that the next time we come, we're going to try and stay in one of these right on the water. There's your shower. Right outside, they have them up inside. Little camping places. These cabins are more like back home now. A-frame, but I think these are made out of bamboo though. Not the same as back home, but they're A-frames. We have lots of those. People familiar with KOAs and that would understand they have these little huts, little A-frame huts everywhere. All right, so you can see me and Cal and our guide that's paddling, all heading on down the river on a raft in Kaeng Krachan. Floating down the river next to the raft. And there's Cal coming ashore after paddling down the river. Lots of fun. Just got to get back to the shore. Well, folks, that's going to wrap up our video from Kaeng Krachan River. We took a raft ride on down the river, went swimming in the water. What a great time. You guys get a chance, you got to try it sometime. Anyway, don't forget to check out more of my videos, Mauihowey's videos, and we'll be doing some more live streams coming up soon. Take care, folks.